Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be talking about NSE India website. Okay, so the old and new NSE India website. So the options what you are finding in the old NSE India website and how to find that same option in new NSE India website. Okay, so I'll be telling a few of the important things in this video, so make sure you watch this video till the end. And guys, one more thing, as NSE has announced, like NSE India website has announced that after August there will be no old NSE India website site, but now the old India NSE website site is still active, so you don't have to worry about it. So the old NSE India website is still active as of now, so don't know when they will take it off. So both the things are available now, the new version and the old version, both the things are available now. You can see in this also, if you want to do some analysis, you can do in both the websites, and that is the old version and the new version. But I'll be telling you guys how we can find some of the old version things in this new version also. Okay, so to get all the information regarding this, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. Okay, so I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. the link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're new to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. So you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit like us from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the things how to find from new NSE India website. So guys, first thing is that if you go to market data and open pre-open market, you can't see the charts here in the new NSE India website. So previously it was available, but from last 1 week they have removed. We can't see the chart also. Okay, so I'll tell you what chart I'm talking about. If I go to old NSE India website and click on pre-open market, okay, so I can see this chart. Okay, next to a stock name I can see this little chart. Okay, but in new NSE India website I can't see that. Okay, so as you guys can see, that is not available here. Okay, and also in pre-open market list also you can check the Nifty 50 or FNO stocks pre-open or Nifty bank, I mean Nifty bank open pre-open. All these things can be checked here. Okay, the same thing in a new version also. Go click on this drop down button where you can see Nifty 50 and there you get all these options. Okay, and one more thing guys, if we go to live market here, you get a lot of options. Okay, like live market analysis, like top gainer, top loser, most active securities and all these things. Okay, so it's very simple here. Like if you can go, it's in the old version. So if you go to this old version and click on this, you get two options like top gainer, top loser from Nifty 50 or Nifty next 50 or or securities above and below 20 rupees, and FNO securities, all these things are available in the older version. But now let me go to the newer version. Okay, go to market data and click on equity and SME market. So here what happens is you can't see that options here. Okay, like live market analysis, all these things are not available. So what you have to do is you can see it manually by clicking here this drop down menu. So click on this drop down menu and you get the indices full list. Okay, if you want to see Nifty 50 or next 50 or Nifty auto according to the indices, if you want to see a top gainer, top loser, or if you want to see securities in FNO, like FNO gainer and loser can be seen here. So click on this securities FNO, the last option, and here you can see the whole list. Okay, so here the last 2-3 stocks are the top loser, that's how you can consider. And here at the top, the top 3 stocks are the top gainers, so that's how you guys can consider. And coming to how you can see the most active stocks or the most active securities, that you can check in the homepage itself. Go to NSE India homepage first, and there here itself you can see the top gainer, top loser from Nifty 50 stocks at the homepage itself. And the next option is the most active. So if you click on that, you get 2 options here itself where you can see it easily, like most active stocks by the value and the volume. Okay, if you click on view all, so it will take you to the same page where all the Nifty 50 stocks will be loaded. Okay, so this is how the new NSE India website is. Okay, and also if you guys want to open the older version of NSE India website, you can just enter this website, that is www.1.nseindia.com, or when you open nseindia.com, just click on this blue line what you see, it will say click here to go to old version. So click that and that will easily take you to the older version of the NSE India website. So this is how you guys can check. So a lot of people had these questions, like where they can see the most active securities or all these things. And one more thing, in NSE India website, the new website, if we go to the stocks list, here you can see this symbol. So this symbol donates that it is near to the 52 weeks high. Okay, so this kind of arrow mark, so that can be read here. If you go to the end of this page, here you can see symbols that are closer to 52 weeks high and within 0 to 2% up will be denoted by like this. Okay, if it's only one arrow, it's like within 5% to 7%. If it's 2 arrow, it's 2% to 5%, and if it's 3 arrows, it's 0 to 2%, that is closer to 2 weeks, that is 52 weeks high. Okay, and the same thing with the 52 weeks low also. Okay, if there is one arrow, that means it's having 5 to 7% difference. If it's 2 arrow, it's 2 to 5% difference, and if it's 3 arrow, it's within 2% of difference. So the 3 arrows, that symbolization is very good. Okay, so that you can easily come to know which stock is very close to the 52 weeks high or low. So that feature I liked it in the new NSE India website. Okay, so the new NSE India website looks cool. Okay, so this is very good, it's very nice look. So in the home page itself, you can see all these indices where you can load, and also you can customize your indices list, which all you have to see in your home page, and that will be saved. Okay, so there are good things here. And just if you come in the NSE India homepage and if you just scroll down, you can see which are the stocks having in news, like corporate announcement or board meeting. So all these things can be seen, but in old NSE India website, I don't think so you guys can see all these things. Okay, so most of the people are now familiar only with the old NSE India website. Okay, so a lot of people check in old NSE India website itself, but in case in future if they remove this and if they make only as a new version, so you guys have to know where the things are. So that's why I am making this video for you to understand where the things are. Okay, you will find all the things which are available here, but you have to just do a little bit of searching and you will find it. Okay, so everything is easily done here. So this drop down menu you guys can see here. Okay, and you guys can also see and add multiple tabs, like which index top gainer, top loser you need to see or something like that. Okay, so if you want to check Nifty 50 indices only, like Nifty banks indices only, so these stocks will be lifted, so which is very easy. But in old thing, you have to go to the live market and come to like index, like see this Nifty bank and then come back to see the Nifty auto. So it's like that, but in new version it's very easy. You get a drop down button, so whichever you have to see, just in a click it loads up very instantly, which is good. Okay, so this is how you can make advantages of a new NSE India website. Okay, so these are the little tricks and tips what I shared with you guys in this video. So if you like this this video, do give a like for this video, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.